Today I am reviewing the MSI Vision Elite RS Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and versatile gaming desktops of 2025, the MSI Vision Elite RS AI 2 NVZ9-1288US. This system is built to handle everything from the latest AAA games to demanding video editing and even everyday productivity with impressive ease. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the processor. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K, a 24-core beast that runs at a base speed of 3.7 GHz, but can turbo boost all the way up to 5.7 GHz. This processor delivers outstanding multi-core performance, making it a fantastic choice not only for gaming, but also for creative professionals who need to run resource-intensive software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, or even AI workloads. The 36 MB of Intel Smart Cache further helps keep everything running smoothly, reducing bottlenecks during heavy multitasking. Next up is the graphics powerhouse inside this desktop, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with a massive 32 GB of GDDR7 memory. This GPU is the absolute pinnacle of current gaming technology, delivering flawless 4K gameplay with ultra settings on the newest titles. Whether you want to explore vast open worlds, enjoy ray tracing effects, or push high frame rates in competitive games like Valorant or Apex Legends, the RTX 5090 is designed to handle it all effortlessly. But what really sets this PC apart is the combination of this raw power with an enormous 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz. This memory is not only fast, but also plentiful, allowing you to multitask heavily without any slowdowns. Whether you're gaming while streaming and running background apps, or working on complex 3D rendering projects, this PC keeps up without breaking a sweat. Storage is another highlight. This MSI desktop features a lightning-fast 2TB PCIe 5.0 NVMe solid-state drive. PCIe 5.0 is currently the fastest storage interface available, and this drive loads games, applications, and files incredibly fast. You won't have to wait long to jump into your favorite game or access large video files, and the large capacity ensures you have plenty of room for your entire game library and work projects. The system runs Windows 11 Pro, which offers enhanced security and productivity features compared to the Home Edition. This makes the MSI Vision Elite not just a gaming powerhouse, but also an excellent workstation for professionals who need reliable performance and advanced OS capabilities. On top of performance, MSI and Excalibur PC provide peace of mind with a 1-year MSI USA warranty covering parts and labor, plus lifetime technical support from Excalibur PC. This means you have expert help available whenever you need it, making this a worry-free investment. Additionally, there's an exclusive gaming bundle included, featuring a high-quality gaming keyboard and mouse. This gives you everything you need to start gaming right out of the box. No need to spend extra on peripherals. The desktop itself is designed to look sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any gaming setup or professional workspace. It's built with quality components and great airflow, so it runs cool and quiet even under heavy loads. In real-world gaming tests, this PC crushes demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Call of Duty at 4K Ultra settings, consistently delivering smooth frame rates above 60 FPS. For content creators, rendering times are dramatically reduced, and multitasking is seamless. To summarize, the MSI Vision Elite RS AI 2 NVZ9-1288US is a top-tier gaming and productivity desktop in 2025. Its combination of an ultra-powerful Intel Ultra 9 processor, the latest RTX 5090 GPU, huge fast RAM, and lightning speed storage makes it future-proof for years to come. If you want a gaming rig that can also handle video editing, streaming, and everyday use with ease, this PC is one of the best you can buy. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a professional looking for reliability and power, the MSI Vision Elite delivers in every way. Thanks for watching the review. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and build guides.